Hey guys, what's up? In this video, what I want to tell is which is the best extension for deno in Vscode. Let me tell you that. Yeah, this extension by deno land. I don't know the developer, and previously I used the extension by just jvac and Axtroy. I used these two extension and this extension is highly popular because this is the first extension was released for deno and then this extension, but now these two extension are deprecated. So and all the deno developers are changing the extension to this extension. Yesterday I saw this as like 81, I think. Now it's like 2094. Yeah. So I suggest this extension, and to enable this extension, uh, we need to create a folder called .vscode, and inside it we need to say settings.json file and give this code, and we can do it by command like Control Shift V enable deno, and it will say that deno is already enabled. If I say disable, and it will be disabled, like for this workspace, like you can see that the total workspace, the extension is disabled, and uh, this won't overwrite. The total workspace will not use the extension. You can see that by it will produce some red simply lines, I think. Yeah, you can see it's saying that error, and if I change this to true, then I think I won't get any errors. First time I'm getting error. Then if I give things like hello write, hello plugin, hello net, and unstable main.ts, just wait for uh, deno to run it. Yeah, it's running on 5000. If I go to I don't I need to go to the routes called slash users. I think I doesn't started the MongoDB. Yeah, I started this, and let me rerun this also. Yeah, I previously stored these values. Now I am getting errors. It's already enabled, right? Still I am getting errors, and it will not do anything. We can use the files. Let me see another file. Also I'm getting errors. Once the function is Let me rerun this. Still I'm getting errors. I don't know why. But this extension is working, guys. I previously tested this and that worked. Now I don't know why it's not working. But once we uh, run this file for some amount of time, it will take uh, these extensions into its cache and it will produce no errors, no the red lines. And that's it for this video, guys. Thank you.